Today we have an iPhone 12 Pro with a touch problem. The touch isn't working, so the touch connector needs to be replaced. Let's get started. First, open the phone carefully. Remove all the screws from the motherboard shield. Disconnect all the connectors one by one. Take out the motherboard. Remove the plastic film from the top of the board. Place the motherboard on the heating platform. Apply some flux around the touch connector area. Use a heat gun to heat the connector and melt the solder. Remove the old touch connector gently. Clean the area with cotton. Apply a small amount of flux again. Place the new connector in position. Heat it again to fix it properly. Reassemble the phone carefully. Test the touch function. The touch is now working perfectly. If this video helps you, please subscribe to Noor Telecom.